Lunar retreat is more than a yoga retreat. It's an experience, a life-changing, a transformational program. It's a bespoke program. It's customized, personalized. A lot of coaching is gonna happen during the retreat. I traveled the world looking for something. I traveled to different places and I embraced all these things together and I transformed it into a program. The workshops that are really oriented to the moment you're living. Through the embodiment of these things, you can really grow. And this is the base of this retreat, that you experience the things and then you'll take it away with you. We use yoga as a philosophy. We offer connection into your heart, yourself, and the nature. It's a journey within yourself. It's the time and space that you have to be who you are or to get to know your true self. It's placed in Bali, in a very beautiful venue, close to the jungle and nature. Besides of all these beautiful things, we're gonna get to know more about Bali. We're gonna be experiencing a day of culture and spirituality among the Balinese people. What Mama Bali has to offer for us. And this is what makes Lunar Retreat so special. If you want to experience something different in your life, you should join us. Because it's more than a retreat, it's an experience.